Hi, welcome to Crawdaddy Customs, where an ordinary guy shows you how to make, build, modify, and customize. Our projects include everything from rebuilding manual transmissions, brake and suspension updates, wheel and tire selections, engine rebuilds, paint and body restoration work, to basic maintenance, high-tech updates, cooling system modifications and improvements, modifications for your Harley that improve both the safety and function of it, and in some cases the beauty too. We'll be covering wiring modifications along with the tools and equipment that are required for that, plumbing system updates, tool reviews, and a whole lot more. So follow along, won't you? Thank you for stopping by Crawdaddy Customs.